I'm Swee, and what I'm doing in property, I do rent to HMO in Bristol. I'm based in Bristol.
Nice, I'm from Bristol.
Really? Oh wow. Okay.
Tell me about so you're on the academy, right?
Yeah.
How's it been? What have you learned?
Oh, I think that the networking is really great. Like I was already in property before I came to the academy, and then realized after I joined the academy that I was doing so many things wrong. And I've got so much knowledge coming to the academy, and it's really, really, really like the best experience.
Amazing. And what about the mentors? Like being around Samuel, how was that energy kind of rubbed off on you?
Samuel, his energy is great. I haven't seen anything or anyone like him in property, to be honest. Really loved it. Really love him.
Excellent. And in terms of your business,
Yeah.
you say you got rent to service accommodation,
Rent to HMO.
rent to HMO business. How do you think the academy has helped you achieve that to get these properties?
To get this property. Oh, okay. So, do you know?
Okay, just shuffle to the left.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, it's perfect.
Perfect. Okay. I can't remember the question now. So,
The
base.
academy helped you grow your business.
How the academy helped me grow my business. So basically, I've went to the inner circle and I've met so many people there. And now I am doing a JV with a person, and I'm putting my money in and getting a 20% commission, and that's 9K. Not doing anything, and gonna have my 9K in 3 months back
Amazing.
in profit. Yeah, amazing. I wouldn't do that without being in the academy, because I wouldn't know the people that knows all these things.
Incredible. To someone who isn't on the academy or hasn't even been to a crash course but is thinking about, what would you say?
Just come and find out, and you will not regret it.